This is how you can take geo tag photos on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if you are new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so the point is that you want to capture a photo inside of the gallery and also have a location attached to it. So if you take a photo in a specific street, the address is going to be part of that image. So at first I'm going to show you how you can set it up and then how it would look once it's finished. So to set it up, we need to open up the settings app and we are on the main page as usual, but I want you to scroll through the available menus until you find privacy and security. And at the top of the list, we have location services, which is basically the way to control which app can access your location. And one of these apps is definitely going to be the camera, which, as you can see in my case, it says never, meaning that my camera can never really access the location. So I'm going to click on it and switch it from never to while using the app. So it cannot use it in the background while I'm closed, while the app is closed, right? It only uses it while I have it open. Fine. And below we have the precise location, which I actually have turned on because I want to make the results as accurate as possible. So I'm going to leave the settings. I'm going to move over into the into the camera, and I can capture an image, right? So that's how it is. And then if I go to the gallery, you can see I have one image set up, which has already the location attached to it, so you can see it at the top right there. But whenever you have an image with a geolocation attached to it, you can swipe up on it and then the location is going to be below, right? So you can see it right there on the map, right? Obviously it's somewhere in the mountains, whatever. And the point is that you can even click on adjust and change it to something else manually if you know that it belongs somewhere else, or you can also delete it for specific images and set it to no location. So that's how it works. I hope that I was able to help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads. Stay tuned for more, and I'll talk to you then.